If you want to earn money by completing surveys, then this video is for you. This app is giving $3 for a survey of 7 minutes. According to me, no other app will give so many dollars on surveys. Right now I have 5 surveys. The first survey is of 2 minutes whose reward is very less because it is a profile survey. The second survey is of 7 minutes whose reward is $3.10. The third survey is of 5 minutes whose reward is $2.34. This app is available worldwide. People from any country can join and earn dollars. This app also gives money for playing games, but you cannot earn many dollars by playing games. This app also has a leaderboard feature. The user coming on rank 1 in the leaderboard is given $25. The user coming on rank 2 is given $18.75, and the user coming on rank 3 is given $12.50. The user who earns the most dollars by completing the survey, his name comes in the top 100 users of the leaderboard, and he is given dollars according to his rank. Guys, now let's talk about their payout method. In this app, you can redeem your earning amount through PayPal. Its minimum redeem is $10. To redeem $10, you must have $10.50. Because this app deducts a payout fee of 50 cents, this payout fee feature is a bit bad. Now let's talk about the sign-up process of this app. I have given the sign-up link of this app in the description of the video. As soon as you click on the link given in the description, you will be directed to the Play Store. This app has 10 million plus downloads. This app is also available on iOS and Android. This app is legit and genuine. Simply download it and click on Open. After that, such an interface will open. Here you have to click on Skip to sign in. In this app you can create your account through Google, Facebook, and referral code. I will create the account through Google. Simply I will click on Google. After that I will choose my Google account, then click on Continue. You can see my account has been successfully created. If you have any kind of doubt, then comment and also subscribe to the channel.